Are you feeling overwhelmed by the rapid pace of AI, wondering how to truly harness its power for your business? You're not alone. Right now, so many wellness entrepreneurs, coaches, and small business owners are still stuck in old patterns of thinking, trying to run a digital age business with a pre-digital mindset. And here's the truth, that mindset is what's holding most people back. In this video, I'm going to share the 3 critical mindset shifts that will help you not just adapt to AI, but actually thrive with it. Because the future isn't coming, it's already here. And those who embrace these shifts early will see unprecedented growth, freedom, and impact in 2025 and beyond. Let's start with the big one, the fear of the unknown. I hear this all the time. AI feels too complex. I don't even know where to start. What if I mess it up? Listen, those thoughts are normal. Every big shift in history brings resistance before it brings results. But here's the thing, you don't need to understand how AI works. You just need to know how to use it. Think about electricity. You don't need to be an electrician to flip the light switch. You just need to trust that the system is designed to work. AI is the same, it's a tool, not a threat. And the moment you shift from fear to curiosity, everything changes. Instead of saying, this is too hard, start asking, what could this make easier? That single shift unlocks creativity, freedom, and innovation. The second mindset shift is understanding that AI isn't replacing you, it's partnering with you. Recent studies on human AI collaboration show that teams using AI iteratively, meaning consistently working with it over time, achieve far better results than those who treat AI like a one-time shortcut. That means your relationship with AI should be dynamic. It's not about typing one perfect prompt and walking away. It's about co-creating. AI becomes your brainstorming partner, your creative assistant, your digital strategist, always learning, always adapting. And when you approach it that way, your business starts to feel lighter, faster, more aligned. At AI Wellness Universe, this is exactly what we teach, how to use AI as an extension of your mission, to free your time, multiply your output, and let your authentic message shine through. Remember, AI doesn't replace intuition, it frees it to lead. The third mindset shift is about playing the long game. Too many entrepreneurs use AI as a short-term tactic to make a quick post, a quick ad, or a quick fix. But the real power of AI lies in building systems, foundations that support you long-term. Think about it like wellness itself. You wouldn't recommend a one-day detox to create lifelong health. You'd build habits, systems that keep you strong for years. The same is true for your business. When you integrate AI into your workflows, your marketing, your content creation, your client communication, it becomes the invisible engine that drives your growth behind the scenes. This is how you scale sustainably with soul and strategy aligned. So let's recap the 3 mindset shifts that will future-proof your business in 2025. 1. Overcome the fear of the unknown. Trade confusion for curiosity. 2. Partner with AI. Don't compete with it. Co-create with technology that amplifies your purpose. 3. Think long-term. Build systems that sustain your vision. Because the future doesn't belong to those who resist change, it belongs to those who adapt with purpose. And if you're ready to bring that vision to life with tools, systems, and strategies designed specifically for wellness entrepreneurs, we'd love to help you get started. Visit ai-wellness-universe.org to learn how to integrate AI into your business with ease, alignment, and confidence. I'm Jerry Daniel, and remember, lead with peace, create with purpose, and grow with confidence. Thank you for being here, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.